How to create poll on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create poll on Instagram. You'll be able to create a poll on Instagram in stories and group chat. In order to create a poll in Instagram stories, you will need to first open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here tap on the plus button at the top left corner of your screen on your story. By doing so, now capture a new photo or video or select one from your gallery to use as the background for your poll. And after that, you will reach to this page. Here tap on the sticker icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, you will need to find the poll sticker. Tap on the poll sticker. And now you will need to enter your question. After entering the question, you will need to enter the answers. Tap on this field and type in your options. If you would like to add more options, you can simply tap on add another option button right here. And then there you can enter a new option. Now tap on this done option at the top right. And then you can now drag and resize the poll sticker to position it where you want it on the screen. And once you're satisfied with it, you can now tap on this your story at the bottom left to share it with your followers. This is how you can create a poll in Instagram stories. Now, if you want to create a poll in group chat, then first of all, you'll need to open your Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Then here in this page, tap on the messenger or the inbox icon at the top right. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. From here, you will need to choose the group chat where you want to create the poll. In this page here, you will need to tap on the plus button at the bottom right. And then in this pop-up, here tap on this poll option. Now write your question and customize answer options as needed. Tap on the question and add your question. And in this options, tap on it and write your options. If you'd like to add more options, simply tap on add option and there enter your option. Now tap on create poll in order to create the poll on your chat. Now your poll will be live in this group chat and members can vote directly within this chat thread. So by following these steps, you should be able to create polls on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.